This method has zero configuration. It adapts to everything, seasonality, variability of the demand, and the user has a full control on how it works. Let me show you how you can automate procurement with Odoo in the new version. So if I go to the Purchase app, let's go to Purchase here. You have a new dashboard, so it's easy to navigate, new RFQ, purchase data arrivals, the ones that have not been confirmed by the vendor, so you can really track the efficiency of your purchase, 29% on-time delivery, not good, and we usually have an average of 4 days to deliver. Anyway, let's create a new one, and I will buy some products to decode it. Instead of filling all the products one by one, like this, because I don't know what I need to purchase, I will do the new magic. I go to the catalog, and from here, I could use the suggest button. And when I click here, it suggests everything automatically for me. So I want to replenish for 7 days, but maybe we have a festival, and Saturday and Sunday we're gonna be off, so this time, because my vendor will be off, I will purchase for 9 days. And I will purchase based on the last 30 days, or based on the same month last year, and you see, but same month last year we didn't sell anything, so it's computing 0, so let's use this last 30 days. But because my business is growing, I will purchase 20% extra than usual based on the last 30 days. And based on that, is computing that we have to buy 6 products for that amount of money, based on that automatically. So you have a full control, and just by filling a few KPI, or maybe it will be raining, so I will put only 110. And then you can compute, and here is what he proposed to purchase, based on your current stock level, the demand, the forecast, and your KPIs. Because he knows that there is a monthly demand of 4 units, we have 0 quantity on hand, here we have 6 to deliver, and things like that. And then you can adapt, and you can change and add a few products. Back to your quotation, and you can send the purchase order to your vendor in one click. You see how simple it is. No configuration, full control, and it's easy to do. It's a method that is really good when you often buy to the same vendors. All right, so now that you have everything is live, no preparation. So I have my barcode scanner, all right? And I will go to the warehouse management application of Odoo. And now it's time to receive the product I purchased. For that, it's very easy. When the product comes into the warehouse, all they have to do is to scan the different products. So I will just scan a receipt, and he knows that I'm going to receive some product. And I receive the desk that I purchased, so I will just scan desk, maybe 3 of them. And I have my 3 desks that are here. And if it's done, just validate, and that's it. So for the warehouse management, it's very easy. Just pick, store, done. And then you can create your own rule based on the product you will put on the right location to minimize and optimize the moves. Let's go on something more complex. A reception with serial numbers for tracking. So I will scan some receipt, a product, regular product, second one of these, and then another product. But this one is requesting a serial number. That's why there is a small green icon. So let's scan the first lot, second lot, and then I validate the operation. So simple that way. You have scanner with a screen. So what you see here in the screen, usually we have it on the barcode scanner, so that the warehouse operator in the warehouse, they see on the screen everything they have to do, and then just go and pick, move, pick, move. So you optimize your warehouse operation easily because of that. All right, so now we have our e-commerce and sales. So let's jump to the manufacturing application. So I go to manufacturing here, and I'm going to create a new manufacturing order for a table. Let's say I want to manufacture 1 table. This table requires 4 components, but you see this one, it's not available. I'm confirming. The table leg, we need 4, but they are not available. So because you have all your stock in inventory, you have a clear visibility on everything in lifetime. Let's have a look at the overview. So here you see all the components and all the operations, and we see that we have a problem here. Table neck, 4 units are not available. So if we purchase today, he estimates that we will receive it for the 16th of August. That looks good to me, so let's click on replenish. I need only 2 units because I already have 2 in my warehouse. So despite the fact that I need 4 for my manufacturing order, he's recommended me 2 because I have 2. But let's say I want to buy 6, I will just buy 6. Now my purchase order has been created, and I can buy my 6 table leg plus 10 lamps because he knows that for this window we also need 10 lamps, so he grouped them together. And let's confirm the order, receive the product. Usually you do it with the barcode scanner, but I have a serial number for the table legs. And now I have done, quality check, pass. And now I've done the full process, manufacturing, purchase, receive the product. So let's have a look at how we will manufacture in the shop floor. So now we have this completely new shop floor application where you can manage all your manufacturing operation. It's very easy. Your operator can just log in the morning with a pin or just like that, and you have all your operators that are here. And we see here that my table, I have to manufacture 1 table. Let's have a look at the manufacturing order. And here is recommending me all the steps to manufacture. So if, for instance, Aka wants to work on it, just click on his name, start, and then the system starts counting. You have a timer so that the cost of the manufacturing operation is computed automatically.